Think Stripe problems only happen to beginners? Even big names like Tony Robbins and Grant Cardone had to find a better way. Here is a quick way to see that Stripe issues don't just affect small creators. Search Tony Robbins Easy Pay Direct or Grant Cardone Easy Pay Direct, and you will find case studies and mentions showing how major brands rely on Easy Pay Direct instead. Even at their scale, Stripe's limits on subscriptions, high volume, or big ticket payments make it risky to stay. These leaders solve the problem by moving to a processor that actually supports growth. That's the same advantage you can have. EasyPay Direct is built to scale safely, with features like recurring billing and unlimited high ticket processing. You can also rely on white glove service, so you always have a direct point of contact when you need help. The result? Stable payments without surprise holds, whether you're just starting out or processing at a large scale. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can explore it for yourself. Getting started is simple. Just fill out the sign up form and you will have a reliable merchant account designed to support content creators, coaches, and info products at any level. You will find the link waiting in the description.